Welcome to our final lesson in Module 4. We've learned how to add professional polish and motion to our presentation. Now, let's explore how to embed multimedia, specifically audio and video files. A short video clip can be incredibly powerful. Imagine showing a 30-second video testimonial from a happy client or a quick screen recording of a new software feature in action. It can often be more impactful than just talking about it. How to insert a video. Let's focus on inserting a video file that you have saved on your computer. 1. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. 2. On the far right, you'll see a video button. Click it. 3. From the drop-down menu, choose this device. This will open a dialog box, allowing you to browse your computer for the video file you want to insert. Once you select your video, it will appear on your slide. You can resize it and move it just like a picture. Remember to use the corner handles to resize it proportionally. Controlling video playback. When you have a video selected, 2 new tabs appear on the ribbon: Video Format and Playback. The Playback tab is the most important one for us. On this tab, the most critical setting is the Start option. It has 2 main choices. In click sequence, this is the default and usually the best choice. The video will act like any other animation. It will wait, and when it's its turn in the animation order, it will play when you click the mouse. Automatically, this will make the video start playing as soon as the slide appears. Use this carefully, as it can be jarring if the audience isn't expecting it. You also have other useful options here, like play full screen and loop until stopped.
For this activity, you'll need a sample video file on your computer. Most computers have some sample videos, usually with an .mp4 or .wmv file extension. 1. Add a new, blank slide to your presentation. 2. Go to Insert Video, this device, and find and insert your sample video file. 3. Resize the video to fit nicely on the slide. 4. With the video selected, go to the Playback tab. 5. Explore the Start options. Make sure it is set to In Click Sequence. 6. Start the slideshow for that slide. Notice that the video doesn't play right away. Click your mouse once, and the video will begin.
Wonderful job! You now know how to insert a video file from your computer and control how it plays. Using multimedia thoughtfully can make your presentation more engaging, memorable, and persuasive. This marks the end of Module 4. You've learned to add transitions, animations, and multimedia. In our final module, we'll cover the essential skills for delivering and sharing your finished presentation with the world. I'll see you in Module 5.